Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice star white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5-liter V8 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the trailer tow package, as well as the Lariat Sport package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, you have that nice tow hitch, backup camera, we do have mud flaps on the rear, and front wheels, as well as a gripped running board, side view camera, and blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we have front park sensing as well, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, and we do have this nice black leather perforated seats, plenty of door space with a B&O sound system. You do got this nice brown leathering on the door. You do have 2 cup holders there, 2 heated back seats, 12 volt, USB and USB-C, and 120 volt right there. And lifting this up, of course, you do get extra storage. And if you don't need that extra person, we do have 2 cup holders and some arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see that we do have powered seats in the same interior we saw in the back there, but we do get the additional B&O sound system, plenty of door space again, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, parking brake, pedal adjusters, tailgate lights and lights, blind spot, and your tailgate right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 10.7 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. You have your toggle-free main menu, phone, media, volume, voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at your main menu, you can go through My View, trip and fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. Continuing your look over here, you do have a nice collapsible gear shift with your speed adjusters on the side, providing you with a fair bit more storage. You do get storage here, 2 cup holders, parking brake, plus extra storage here with the USB and USB-C. We do have this nice brown leathering on the center console, and it does open up for a nice little workstation. And you can open it up for the console as well, with plenty of storage with the USB and USB-C down there. We have a rear axle lock, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, and Pro Trailer Assist. Heated and cooled front seats, plus dual climate, 12 volt, 120 volt. So clicking this does open there, and you do get storage with the glove compartment as well. And you got your auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park sensing, hazards, and traction control right there. For our drive modes, we do get normal, slippery, deep sand and snow, mud and rut, and all the way to the left here, you do get tow and haul, eco, and sport. Continue our look here. We do have our music, which is Sirius XM capable. We do get that nice Wi-Fi hotspot, which phone's connected, navigation, your fave app, which you can set up from these nice selections, apps in general, such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, so on and so forth, and your features of the vehicle. And looking above me, we do have a nice twin-panel moonroof functions, as well as a rear window opener, which is pretty handy, and we do have a nice garage door opener right there. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FC39351, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.